Hey, happy Tuesday to you. Thanks for joining me on Stars Touch Heartfelt Healing. I'm at my favorite place to pray. This is where I come for water. I'm just enjoying the sound of the water. It's so healing. And so I wanted to do a couple energy exercises today in case you wanted to join me. So we're going to just thump on our chest. You can do it lightly or do a little harder, whatever you wish. It's really getting all of your lung energy going. And then the thymus in the middle of your chest for your immune system. Sides for the spleen. And then we're going to march in place 20 times. If you can't do it, if you cannot do this physically, just do it in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then putting your hands out in front of you, bring them in and breathe in and release. We're going to do 5. And then backwards with the hands the other way, bringing it in. Another 5. And then we're going to make circles just on the sides of your chest and underneath, going around. Tiny circles, just actions. Okay, and shaking your arms out. We're going to add something different today. We're going to detoxify our lungs, putting your hand out and just pulling your other hand up through your thumb all the way up to your chest. Breathing in and release 3 times. And then the other thumb, breathing in, release, breathing in, release, breathing in, release. Okay, and then just an inch up from your belly button and out. Circles going down. Activating everything. And then your inner thighs, just right down the middle of the inner thigh, that's your small intestine line. This is Donna Eden's energy medicine type stuff. So I'll put a link in there so you can actually see the whole routine and she'll explain it better. But right down those inner thighs, that's your small intestine line. It's kind of tender. That means you need it. And then outside, that's your large intestines, just getting everything moving, digestion, down your outer sides of your thighs. All right, and then just grabbing right by your abdomen here, lower abdomen, and zipping up the good energy. Smile, raise your hands up, and just bring everything into your chest, all the good energy. And again, heaven rushing in. Let's do a heaven and earth to end it. 1 up and 1 down, breathing in and release. And another one. And release. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and share. Send this to your friends. I hope you could hear that water. It's just wonderful. So healing. Have a wonderful day.